Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel for a better life. Today, I will tell you about the health benefits of lemon peel. Lemon peel includes the colored outer layer of the fruit, in addition to a thin layer of white pulp under the peel. Lemon peel is used in many different recipes. But today, I will talk about the most important health benefits of lemon peel. One of the most important nutrients in lemon peel is that it contains high levels of potassium and vitamin C in addition to lower amounts of calcium and a healthy dose of dietary fiber. And to enjoy the health benefits these nutrients provide, you will need to include a large portion of lemon peel in your diet. These include the health benefits of lemon peel. First, maintaining skin. Limonene is a powerful antioxidant. So in addition to vitamin C, lemon peel can give your skin a healthy boost, thanks to its effects on free oxygen and oxidative stress that cause wrinkles, blemishes, and signs of aging. Another important benefit of lemon peel is the ability to reduce cholesterol in the blood. The high fiber content in lemon peel helps improve digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and thus lower cholesterol and aid in weight loss. And the benefits also improve bone density. This is because it contains a good amount of minerals, which can help increase bone density and prevent osteoporosis with age. Finally, lemon peel can protect you from cancer, where studies say that limonene and other flavonoids in lemon peel are directly linked to preventing the formation and spread of cancerous tumors, especially cancer of the mouth, pharynx, larynx, and stomach. In the end, I will tell you how to keep the lemon peel for later use. At first, wash the lemon well, and then dry it. Then use a vegetable grater and burn the lemon fruit on the surface of the peeler. Then collect the lemon peel slices and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator until ready to use. I hope the video is useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to subscribe to my channel. I will be happy with that. Thank you all.